Welcome back to Quick Quiz. In this video, we're gonna guess 40 animals within just 5 seconds. Alright, let's begin with easy level. Do you know this animal? It's a cow. Guess this one. It's a horse. This one is so easy. A cat. It's a dog. Guess the animal. A rabbit. What about this one? It's a lion. A hamster. This one is so easy. It's a parrot. It's a turtle. Do you know this animal? It's a panda. Let's jump into the medium level. Good luck. Guess this one. A kangaroo. What about this one? It's a bear. It's a frog. Guess the animal. It's a dolphin. It's an owl. This one is so easy. A snake. What about this one? A giraffe. Guess this one. It's an elephant. A monkey. It's a duck. This is hard level. It's time to shine. Do you know this animal? A chameleon. Guess the animal. It's an octopus. It's a bee. This one is so easy. It's a lizard. Guess this one. It's a penguin. Guess the animal. A starfish. A peacock. What about this one? A crocodile. It's a flamingo. A hedgehog. It's time for the impossible level. Good luck! Do you know this animal? It's a yak. It's a hippopotamus. Guess the animal. It's an okapi.
It's a macaw.
What about this one? A fossa. A sloth. Guess this one.
It's a marmot.
It's a tarsi. Do you know this animal?
It's a pangolin.
It's a wombat. Well done. You have done it. Subscribe to Quick Quiz and share the video with your friends.